So after I reviewed the Redtiger dash cam on my Porsche Cayenne, I kept on getting the same question from you guys. Does it really hold up in a real life scenarios like high traffic or if you're driving fast or slow? Well guys, I am here today to give you an update on this dash cam by Redtiger that I have reviewed a few weeks ago here on my channel. Well, let's get started. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube, and today I am gonna film an update of a real use, of a real life, of a real time, a real true update on the Redtiger F7NA dash cam after months of actual use. Now guys, the short answer to that question everyone kept on asking, yes, and here is why. Quick note before we dive in guys, use the code from the description box to get this camera at the lowest price. Let's get started with the update video. So the Sony IMX678 sensor is doing the heavy lifting here. The front camera records true 4K at 30 FPS, while the rear camera records at 1080 pixels at 25 FPS. So when I zoom into the license plates of several cars ahead, the details are still readable. Not a guess, but an actual characters. And this is what I love so much about this Redtiger F7NA dash camera. I tested it across bright afternoon sun, around parking garages, around backlit signs, heavy traffic, headlights directly at the camera, while the front HDR keeps exposure balanced. The rear WDR handles the same for what's behind you. Night driving is where I paid closest attention to the details. That's where most cameras fall apart. The footage stayed clean, signs and plates are all readable during the nighttime as well. Now the voice commands got more use than I ever expected, saying lock video while driving is just safer than reaching for anything else. 12 English comments total, all responsive. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi transfers up to 20 megabytes per second in ideal condition, so it's great to have the ability to transfer your files or just to view them real quick through the smart application. I connect, find the clip, and it's on my phone literally in seconds. I can download it directly from the app and it's great. Now the heat test. As I told you guys in the previous video, it is past the heat test again and again and again. So inside a parked car, it is easily hits the 180, the 190, the 170 degrees, or even more, sometimes 200, like easily. So I left the F7NA once again running with parking monitoring active and walked away for a few hours. When I came back, it was still recording. No interruptions, no dropped frames. Touchscreen powered on immediately and responded normally. So that's fantastic for the North Carolina's heat. Unlike a traditional battery, it handles temperature from -20 and up to 70 degrees by Celsius without shutting down or even being interrupted. Now, what I truly love is once again this patrol option of the camera. So at the settings, you can choose it to keep on watching the surrounding and record small clips every few minutes or every few hours, or you can make it be responsive to motion. So even after you parked, your camera still keeps on working and recording these small clips. So if someone does anything to your car, or if someone walk around the car and you want to find the footage for any reason, well, you got it because the Redtiger got your back. So guys, I absolutely love this function. To me, that's the best thing that worked ever. Now, one practical thing worth knowing, the F7NA powers through a cigarette lighter port or a USB-C type cable. So if your car doesn't have one, or you doesn't have the hardware kit that connects to your fuse box or OBD port, so you need to know you must have one of these options to be able to connect the camera. It is actually required that if you want parking mode, it doesn't activate from the standard cable. Worth knowing before you assume it's all automatic. So if you want a camera packed with extras, this isn't that. It's built for clean, reliable footage, for something safety related. That's the right priority here. So going back to that question, does it hold up in real conditions? After months of driving with this, the answer is absolutely yes. And that's the only thing that matters in a dash cam. I absolutely love this dash cam, guys. I will highly recommend you to check it out. The installation was easy and the footage is truly 4K. You can clearly see everything, and this is your safeguard for any type of situation that can happen on the road or during the parking hours. So guys, I will definitely highly recommend you to have dash cam installed in your car. So guys, I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Now, let's summarize. I'm going to give you a conclusion. Yes, this is an amazing dash cam. It gives gives you the rear, it gives you the front, and it's so very affordable. Like, I have seen cameras out there that they are gonna be thousands of dollars, or $800, $600, $1,000. That's crazy because you can get it for so much less. You still get a 4K quality, you get all the most amazing, the most important settings, you can see all the license plates really clear, and you get all these for a quarter of the price. So I absolutely love how it's priced, absolutely love the quality of the camera, and I am trusting this dash cam with my brand new Porsche Cayenne. So guys, that was actually all for today. So be so very sure to check all these discounts out. So don't snooze because you're gonna lose. Check out everything. There's gonna be a coupon code down below at the description box as well. All the coupon codes, discount codes, all the possible promotions, everything listed down below at the description box to this video of mine. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.